In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify checkout page customization. By the end, you'll know how to install a checkout customization app, subscribe to a plan, and tailor the checkout experience, especially the payment method area, so it matches your brand and helps customers complete their purchases with confidence. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading to your store's admin. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps. Apps are how you extend Shopify's built-in features, and in this case, we'll use a checkout page customization tool to control the look, feel, and payment options on your checkout. Inside Apps, open the checkout page customization app available to you. If you're browsing the Shopify App Store, look for the listing your team intends to use and open its details page. Review what it can change, things like layout, branding, extra fields, and how payment methods are presented. When you're ready, click Install. A permissions window will appear. This is normal. Review the access the app needs to function, then confirm installation so it can connect to your store. Once the app finishes installing, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. Select the plan that fits your needs and follow the on-screen prompts to subscribe. The subscription is handled through Shopify billing, so just confirm as directed. If you're unsure which tier to choose, pick the one that aligns with your expected checkout volume and feature requirements. You can usually adjust later as your store grows. After subscribing, the app's editor will open and you can start customizing. Begin with branding. Set your logo, colors, and fonts so the checkout matches your storefront. Tidy up the content by adjusting headings, adding trust signals, and removing unnecessary fields. Shorter forms generally convert better. Now focus on the payment method section. Enable the payment options you want customers to see and arrange them in a sensible order. Place the most popular methods at the top and disable any you won't support. If you sell internationally, ensure local wallets and relevant currencies are enabled and that language settings match your storefront. Save your changes as you go. Use the app's preview to see exactly what customers will experience. Check spacing, button contrast, and how errors appear. Make sure taxes, shipping, and totals are clearly displayed near the payment area to reduce uncertainty. Clear labels and recognizable payment icons build trust and can boost completion rates. When you're satisfied, keep the customization live. You can return to the app section anytime to refine your checkout as your audience and business needs evolve.